Today we're going to be playing part 2 of Minecraft Survival, and I think we might be starting a new video because last one was not very good. So yeah, I think I might have a lot of mods activated. I don't know. I think I do, or I think I deleted them all. Yeah, I think I deleted them. So, but I still will be doing other ones about mods. So this is going to be the world. I think I might build my house here over this part here. So I'm gonna collect some wood. This video won't be very long. Same with all my things. I might have a long video, about half an hour long someday. So yeah. So I'm just gonna collect this wood. I'm going to probably build an axe first, so then I'll be able to chop down the wood faster. So, and if you think this might get boring, I hope it's not what happens. And I just want to do a series on this for some reason. Just want to put that there. And so I just want to build a series for you, make a series for you guys to watch. Yeah, I've actually got 10 views on that first one, so I'm gonna do a second one. So I'm just gonna smash this rest of this wood, and I think I might start my house. So I'm gonna start my house now, just like this. I might start a farm. Oh, I wasted on that. So I'm gonna start my house now. 39 wood, that should be enough for a bit of it. So I'm not gonna build a big house. Please. So it's gonna be quite small. Well, this is actually kind of big, so I like it even. 1, 2, wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6. Oh, sorry about this lag. It's really laggy. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Perfect. I think I might do 10 on this side. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There should be enough. And then 6 on this. 1, 2, 3. Okay, perfect amount. I'm gonna get more wood. I think I might build a little village. That means anyhow I might play this, and you guys can probably join if I set up a server. All of us can play. Yeah, so I'm just gonna collect more wood to build my house even bigger, and then I want to have like a kitchen and stuff. I might have a mine underneath it. You guys tell me in the comments what I have to build, because I just want to get stuff I've used to build, not just do stuff myself, because you have to enjoy the video too, and you tell me. I'll listen to any comments that go up, like literally any, because I review all of them, and I'll put them up on the videos if anyone comments. So Zeniho has already commented, and he says, "Nice video, Skin." He calls me Skin. It's pretty insulting. Okay, so back then her another 6, no 5, I think. Oh, what just happened? The lap down, guys. I'm doing it. Now, I was not expecting this to happen. Well, that just wrecked my house. God damn. Oh my god, no. But I think I can work with it. I don't know. It's gonna be quite hard. So 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6. And then build across 1, 2. Oh no, 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 no. No. Smash, smash, smash. Oh, saved it. Alright. I will fix this when you're gone. You'll probably find a mine. Actually, I could use that for the mine. To use that. Bang. Uh-oh. No, no, no. Quick, 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 quick. And, oh god, no. Jeez, I really hate this. Oh, no. I will be getting a new house. Definitely. But, meanwhile, I'm gonna stick with this. Actually, I think I might keep this. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video, boys.